Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing you've made money while you slept. No packages shipped, no calls made, no inventory to manage. Just digital income flowing in while you were dreaming. Sound too good to be true? That's because most people have no idea how powerful digital products have become. But in 2025, this is no longer a secret. It's a strategy. And the ones who act now will be the ones who win big, while others are still stuck trading time for money. Let's face it, the traditional business model is outdated. Rent, inventory, staff, overhead. It's expensive, risky, and slow. But digital products? They flip the script. You create something once and sell it infinitely. No storage, no shipping, no stress, just systems and sales. But the real question is, what should you sell? Today, I'm giving you 6 powerful digital product ideas that are in demand, beginner-friendly, and built for long-term passive income in 2025. These aren't random guesses. These are real-world models people are using right now to earn thousands per month quietly. Number 1, ebooks and digital guides. Now, before you say, "I'm not a writer," hear this. You don't need to be. You just need to solve a specific problem. Whether it's how to start a side hustle in college or beginner's guide to eating clean, digital guides are selling like crazy. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon KDP make it incredibly easy to publish and profit. And the best part? You write it once, promote it smartly, and it keeps selling forever. Number 2, Notion templates and digital planners. If you're even slightly organized or creative, this is a goldmine. People love systems that save time. From budgeting templates to daily productivity dashboards, Notion, Trello, and Canva planners are exploding in popularity. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just structure something that helps people stay organized, and you've got a product. Quick check-in. Ever bought something just to feel more in control of your life? That's what these tools do. They give people clarity, and clarity sells. Number 3, printables. Think wedding planners, meal prep charts, homeschool schedules, kids' activity sheets. You create them once in Canva or Illustrator, and sell them forever on Etsy or Creative Market. The beauty. These products are visual, simple, and emotion-driven. You're not just selling paper, you're selling peace of mind. Number 4, stock photos and digital art. Have a camera or an eye for aesthetics? You can turn your creativity into cash by selling digital assets on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or even your own site. With AI tools, even non-designers are creating stunning visuals and uploading them for passive sales. And in 2025, visual content is in higher demand than ever for blogs, websites, YouTube, and brands. Still with me? Good, because number 5 is the most scalable of all. Online courses. Now, don't roll your eyes. Courses don't have to be expensive or fancy. A simple 60-minute video tutorial broken into clear steps can easily sell for $20, $50, even $199, depending on the value. Teachable, Thinkific, and Gumroad let you host, sell, and automate everything. And if you've ever solved a problem in your life, chances are someone is willing to pay to learn how you did it. And finally, number 6, license-free music, sound effects, or voiceovers. Yes, even your voice can be a product. With the rise of video creators, YouTubers, and podcasters, the demand for original, royalty-free sound content is exploding. Upload your sound packs or narrations to marketplaces like Audio Jungle, Pond5, or Fiverr, and get paid every time someone downloads your work. Now you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds good, but how do I start? Here's the secret. Pick one idea. Just one. Don't try to build an empire overnight. Start small, create value, and stay consistent. The beauty of digital products is they scale with time. One product, 10 sales. Same product, 100 sales. You're building assets, not just income. Here's the real cliffhanger. Most people will hear these ideas and do nothing. They'll scroll, save the video, and move on, waiting for the perfect time. But what if you looked back 6 months from now and said, "Why didn't I start sooner?" So don't wait. Start small. Start now. And in a few months, you could be waking up to notifications that say, "You just made a sale." If this video sparked ideas for you, smash that like button and subscribe to Money Momentum. I'll be here every week with practical strategies to help you break free from the paycheck to paycheck grind and build real digital wealth. And remember, in 2025, the smartest entrepreneurs don't sell products. They sell solutions that scale. Now go create yours.